not here.
known
I'm sorry.
around 4 years ago.
Let's work on his earpiece if we can. Go ahead.
Okay. Actually, we had a roof put on about 4 years ago.
Okay.
And we had some problems with it in the beginning, and the gentleman came back. Now, he is a individual who does work, but he does have a company name. I want to say that.
Okay.
And he worked with it a little while, and it seemed like it was fixed.
Okay.
Well, a little bit on down the road, it started leaking again.
Okay.
And
Like how long ago?
I would say it had leaked, with the first, when he first applied the roof.
Okay.
And then there was an interim there of about 6 to 7 months that it didn't leak. And we just kind of tried to patch around on it ourselves because he had become a little bit disagreeable about trying to, work on it anymore.
Okay.
So anyway, now, and we have documented all this in pictures.
Okay.
All the way through. I mean, we've documented streams of water coming in. So now, actually, our kitchen ceiling is about to fall in, and he has moved to Mississippi. And this is where my question comes in. I want to do a small claims on him, but I wondered where I would file that small claim and what the statute of limitation is, and would you happen to know what the max recovery would be? Because I feel very good that we have a good case, but I mean, I wouldn't know too.
Right.
Would I need a lawyer?
Okay. All right. We'll try to shrink some of that story down and see if David can help you with that. So, do you want to go ahead and start?
Well, David, did you hear any of that? I know we've got a.
I'm not here.
We've
I'm
got
sorry,
a
I'm not hearing
malfunction
the
here.
questions. Yeah.
Let me try to field this for the
Sure.
viewer. You're in a situation where someone came and worked on your house, worked on your roof. It didn't work. A period of 7 months, I believe, went by. So now you want to file a claim against him because he's not responding. Well, what you can do, depending on the value, if it's a smaller claim, $2,500, $3,500, something along those lines, that's something that you should be able to do yourself. Once you get beyond that, it's probably time to hire a lawyer. Can you reach that person who is now living in Mississippi? Well, you can. That person, just because they're in Mississippi right now, they were here, and he probably travels back and forth from Alabama to Mississippi. So can you get him served with a lawsuit? It may take a little bit of extra doing, but you probably can. What you have to look at is how much is it going to cost you to pursue this versus how much is it going to cost you to go ahead and do the repairs on your own. Because sometimes it's just not worth filing the claim, as much as I hate to say that, because you can't get him to pay attorney's fees, and that's what we're here talking about tonight. So we may be in a situation where someone like David's outfit may be able to help you, but that's something that I would probably suggest contact David or someone in his office next week and run the facts by their group when they can talk about it a little bit more in depth.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. We are going to take our first